The Legend of the Lake. Bayanal National Park is one of Kazakhstan's great treasures, a place of natural beauty and legends. There are mountains, forests, caves, and crystal-clear lakes. The third largest lake is Torogir Lake at the foot of Akbet Mountain. It was named after the Kazakh writer Sultan Mahmud Torogirov, but the legend of the lake is much older. Long ago, nomads wandered the steppe, but they always avoided the lake. It was full of fresh water and fish, but the nomads couldn't go near it because a fierce three-headed dragon lived on the shore. Many had tried to kill the dragon while it was sleeping, but one head was always awake, watching and waiting. One day, 7 brothers passing through the region heard about the dragon and decided to get rid of it once and for all. The 3 oldest brothers built a boat and crossed the lake to the place where the dragon lived. They fought bravely, cutting off one of its heads, but all 3 were killed. Then, 3 more of the brothers built another boat and sailed across the lake. They cut off the second head, but the dragon killed them too. The youngest brother wanted to honor his brothers by finishing what they had started, so he built his own boat and crossed the lake. He fought with the dragon and finally defeated it, but he was badly wounded. Unfortunately, he too died on the shore of the lake where his brothers fell. These days, 7 rocks mark the final resting places of the 7 brothers. The 3 heads of the terrible dragon also lie on the shore of the lake, turned to stone by the years.